Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking into my 4 trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. I had actually 3 losing trades, and then one kind of put me past break even into profits for the day. It wasn't a nice clean day, but I was still able to capture some profit, so I'll be able to show you where I entered, where I got stopped out on all of them, and then where I was able to take the last trade before the market opened. And then as the market opened, began to play out around an hour later, I closed it out for some profits. I could have made some more money, like a lot more money, yes. But then sometimes when you're having like a lot of losers, I believe it's good to just take some off the table so that you can trade the other day, which would have been today's trade or Wednesday's day trade. So I wanted to make sure to lock in some profits, kind of push back some of the losses that I made yesterday and today and kind of go forward from there. However, I must say that if I had held it a little bit longer, I would have had a much bigger buffer, probably up to 10,200 today. But it happens, right? Like it's gone already. Hindsight is 2020. I couldn't have known that unless I had made the trade, right? So the first trade I entered 1 hour after market open, and that was yesterday. So sell side would have been the trade for yesterday. Sell side got us right down into pre-market around 7-8 o'clock there. So by then you'd have had to close off your trade, and then for the rest of the day, when the New York session kicked in, it was all bullish movement. And I'll also show you NVIDIA, because I'm hearing that NVIDIA and a lot of the chip makers are moving very parabolic to the upside right now. So this one I entered to the buy side, and then when I woke up, I was stopped out. I got stopped out within 8 hours after market open. So that would have been around 2 a.m. So let's see, around here, where I really got stopped out at 16,629.74. That was a loss of $9.64. So it wasn't too bad, right, to kick off the day. And then I had another trade around the 13-hour candle. And let's see what that would map out to. I think that's around 6 a.m. if we go to New York time. Yep, 6 a.m. I just know that based on just at the time that you get movements in the market, I know when I would probably take a trade. So I entered here at 16,574. 16,574.66. And then I got stopped out within an hour. So this is when I kind of lost. I could feel myself losing the composure within the market because I'm getting ticked out so fast, right? So the market really began to push down, and it knocked me out for a loss of 1943. After this, I had entered a small sell. I entered a small sell because I wasn't too confident that the movement was a sell. Like that's what was going to happen. So I had a small sell, and that one knocked me out for a loss of $4.90. So I entered here at 16,524.45. And then I actually got stopped out within 2 minutes. And this was nasty. I got stopped out within 2 minutes at 16,531.45 for a total loss of 4.9. From there, I entered to the buy side now. After I entered to the buy side, that was my last trade for the day. So I was expecting, all right, I'm not looking back at the charts after this. And then I let the market open and play out. If it had stopped me out, that would have been me for the day. but I actually caught nicely around the bottom of the market here, and then actually closed this out on the next candle, which was an hour later. So on that 17 candle, I closed it at 16,597.94 for a total profit of 72.14. You can see that the market went crazy after this. This is what I would have aimed for to get, but I mean, it's just figuring out what the strategy works with best, because sometimes my strategy works best when I swing it overnight. I wake up 6-7 a.m., close out the trade. Now this trade I entered around on the 9 o'clock candle, so I'm guessing closing this at around 12 would have been a nice move. Closing it around 12 would have been it, because this was 10, 11, 12. Could even close it at 1 for a little higher push. And that's basically what happened today. You can see that recovered all of my losses here. I'm not sure if it recovered my losses from yesterday. This is just showing the time since I created this account. So since I created this account, I have traded 70 days. I haven't blown this account, and it's showing some consistency. So if we were to put all of these together, I believe I am still above water. Let me actually pause this for a second. So I think trading especially is a mathematics game. So if you can just skim and kind of see how much you're actually losing, how much you're actually making, you can kind of figure out, are you winning or are you losing, right? So you can see that I'm actually below for this week. That's why it's good that I locked in that profit, but I could have actually came out above break even. So this one was, so right now I'm down about $13. So if I make $13, I'm above break even for the week, for a profitable week. But I'm still close. I have a trade running right now. I believe I'm in profits, but for still, we don't know what's gonna happen, right? I have my alert set here. If I get tapped out here, it's just one trade. It's not a big trade either. It should be a max risk of about $12, but I'm up a good little amount right now. Nothing crazy. So we'll see how that trades. I can even pull it up right now just to see. I'm not up much. I'm up 0.7 right now. 0.7 now. So I'm not up much at all. So we'll see how this trade is going into tomorrow. I have a buy side trade, so I'm looking for buys, especially since we have a nice bullish trade here. So I'm looking for more continuation here. If we sell off, that's just part of it, you know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I hope to see you in the next video. Watch it through. Bye bye.